or welcome if you are new here. Today we are going to be doing a declutter and cleaning and organizing of my nightstand table. As you can see, it very well needs it. And hi, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jennifer, and I usually do makeup related material or subscription unboxings, or sometimes a cooking video, or sometimes talking about mental health, but sometimes, just sometimes, I will do a declutter or cleaning video like today. If you are into any of that, I would love it if you would hit subscribe and hit the notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified anytime that I upload a new video. So, this is my nightstand table, and this is where I usually keep all my night balms, some medications, some hand lotions, some pictures and stuff, and I really need to go through, and some face mists as well. I really need to go through it and get rid of a lot of things that I am just not using. So let's go through this. Let's first take off all the soda bottles that I am not drinking from, and just plain waste products. Let's get rid of this product. This is a pillow spray. It is pretty much gone. I don't use it anymore. It is from This Works. It is just a lavender spray for your pillow. I used to use it a lot when I needed help going to sleep. Now I don't use it as much. Let's go through lip products. I keep a lot of them on this little tray stand here. I am going to keep all my Laneige lip masks. I am just putting them down here for now. This one, I don't know, I can't read it. I guess I will keep it. I just have so many. I think I'm gonna get rid of this milk one. It is really, really old. Yeah, and I'm pretty much out of it. So I don't like that one as much. Also, I'm pretty much out of this Aceology one. I have a brand new one right here. And this was just a lid. Get rid of that. This is just a sample one. I don't think I'm gonna use it. What is this? This is a sleep concentrate. I think this is something you put on your face. I used it and it was really oily. I don't think I'm gonna use that. What is in this part of the tray? Okay, lots of stuff. This is a lip serum. I don't think I would use that. This is the Milani Fruit Fetish. Oh, I'm sorry, you can't see that. Where is it? The Milani Fruit Fetish. I am not going to be using that. This is a ColourPop So Juicy. I am pretty much getting rid of all of those. And this is a Hey Honey Trick and Treat Lip Balm. I don't really like this that much. What else is in here? We've got an Apple and Bun lip glow mask. Not really using that. Hiding it back here, we have a pin and an e.l.f. lip balm that I am not using. Hiding down here, I have refills. I have a refill for this right here, which I need to use, so I'm going to keep that. This is This is the Wet n Wild Sleeping Mask, which I really liked, but I haven't been using. This is Eco Lips Lip Food. Oh, that is gross. Getting rid of that. And this, what is this? I can't read that. I don't know what it is, so I'm getting rid of it. So, these are more or less the things I use, except this. This is a Sophia in Maybell. It is pretty much gone, so I'm getting rid of that. Also this by Sol de Janeiro. I got this so long ago in a BoxyCharm. It's almost gone, so I am getting rid of that. This right here is almost pretty much, it's gone, so I am getting rid of that. I have a replacement here. It is in Mixed Berry. I just brought this out, so I am using that. I'm keeping my Blistex. Just finished this. This is the Kinship Super Melt Vegan Lipped Jelly Mask. This is really good. I like this quite a bit. And the Cab Lip Oil. Love this. I have a lot of them down here that I like. This is an old Blistex that I'm throwing out. Keep this, keep this. Another pen that I'm not using. Hair ties that I'm not using. Okay. Oh, here's some more lip stuff back here. Oops, dropping stuff. Another lip thing. Keeping this Forget the Filler by Lawless. Really like that quite a bit, so I'm going to keep that. This is from the Refinery. I know that I pretty much used it, but I like to keep it just because it's a little skull. So I like the way it looks. And this is the Patrick Ta lip mask. Major Glow. I like to keep that. So anything I put in this bottom drawer, I am not going to use. This bottom thing here is probably not going to get used, so I'm not going to put anything in there. There is another Cab lip oil, so I want to keep that. Okay, I think that is it for lip oils. Now let's go on to lotions. I have something from Bath and Body Works, Aromatherapy. It's the Tea Tree and Peppermint Body Lotion. I'm going to keep this because I like the container. I think my mother-in-law gave that to me. It might be a little old, but I'm okay with that. Let us move, sorry about that. Let us move over to here. Okay, this is the Dionysus Goat Milk Body Lotion. Definitely going to keep that one. This is the Stress Check Kind Hands. I think this is almost empty. This is the, I don't know, but it is the Lemon Rescue Butter. This went off. It doesn't smell like a lemon anymore. It smells pretty bad now. So I'm not going to keep that. This I'm almost done with, so I'm going to keep it. It is the Sukin Original Hydrating Mist Toner in Chamomile and Rose. I just spray that on my face. So I like that. This is one thing I'm going to get rid of. It's the Kiehl's Ultimate Strength Hand Salve. I really loved this when I had really rough patches on my skin. I don't so much anymore. This really helped for that though. But I have my skin, my dry patches have gone away. I don't need this so much. It's pretty much empty anyways. So, but if you need something for rough patches on your skin, I highly recommend this. Again, it's the Ultimate Strength Hand Salve by Kiehl's. So, yeah. Okay, I have my Aleve and my medicine over here. Some hair ties and a dead battery. I've got the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid. I don't really like that. I do like this Glow on Fifth Beauty Keep It Handy lotion, so I will keep that. I do love this Levito Patchouli Vanilla and Shea Butter hand cream a lot, as well as the Evening Primrose Seed Buckhorn and Pumpkin Seed one. Love this a lot. I have some cuticle oil up here too. I don't really use it, but I like having it up here. I have the Glow Recipe Pink Dreams hand lotion, but I think that is pretty much gone. I have the Gold Faden MD Hands to Heart, but I think that is pretty much gone. Oh, here's some more lip stuff. This is the Dr. Pawpaw lip cream. I'm going to keep this over here where I like it. And I have the Bali Balm Bergamot and Grapefruit. I'm going to keep this over here. And I'm going to move this mixed berry one over here. This is the Endota Hydrating Lip Balm. I'm sorry. I'm going to get rid of that. I didn't like it that much. And here is the Milk Kush Lip Balm. This makes my lips really dark. I think I'm going to move it over to where my lip products are. Okay. And then I have the Pear Nova Hydrating Cream. I just got this. I really like it. And then I have from the Ipsy Refreshments line, their Velvety Body Cream Citrus Spritz. I'm really trying to finish off that. So, now, okay, I think I have done a good declutter. Oh. So, I still have my stuff down here. Okay, so now I'm going to take everything off and clean, so I will rush through that. Okay. Oh, there's some more stuff down here. Okay, I will declutter that as well. Okay, I feel like I'm missing a few items. But, okay, I will find them. Okay, so it looks a little better, right? Okay. Alright, so this has been my decluttering and cleaning video of my nightstand table. I hope you enjoyed it if you like decluttering and cleaning videos. So give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment down below. Check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok down in the description box. And I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you are not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day. And if you're having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. Okay, just stay well until then. Goodbye.